Good afternoon. I'm Mr. Borelli, the instructor of Printing and Graphic Communications. In this area, you're going to learn a lot of trades that are involved with printing and graphic communications, one of the biggest being the computer side. Every student will work on a Mac Mini, learn the Adobe Suite software, InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop, and those are used to be successful in the printing field, whether you're doing wide format printing, screen printing, offset printing, digital printing, all those types of prints require that you learn this software. So you'll spend about 80 to 90% of your time learning the software. Then you're going to take the software that you learn and take it out into the shop and use it on the machines. All students will receive a toolbox with the tools that are needed for the industry to work in class. You're not able to take them home, but you can leave them here, but they're at your disposal. You'll be able to use them and use them out in the shop to use all the tools. So I'd love if you guys could join us for our Zoom meeting and ask me some deeper questions. You can ask me a little bit more about what you want to know and if you're interested in this area, and I can talk to you one-on-one or as a group, and we'll spend some time talking about printing and graphic communications. Thanks and have a good night.